Okay, here we go on lab 2 for Rec 140. I have, it's in front of the big basic circuit. We just got 5 volts going into the switch into pin number 2, which is the button pin input. And you got a 10K resistor pulling it down, and we have 2 LEDs ran through with the 330 resistor, and they're running into number 13. That's the basic circuit, and we're supposed to be playing with loops today, so I've done a whole lot of running around with loops, and here is what I came up with. Is that there? That's not it. Oh yes, this is it. Okay, so here we have our program that you'll be looking at. The way it works is it's got the button point pin, or the pins all set up, got a timer, got a last state, integer, a basic output input right there. And what it's doing is it's button states, reading the button pin to see the state, and it's basically looking for a comparator to see a difference from the last time through the loop. If it reads a button state high, then it's going to start a for loop, which is going to go through 10 cycles, and then stop and stand by, ready to go again. We can look at our program down here, and basically the for loop is it's going to go high, then there's going to be a delay timer, the timer divided by 2 for 500 milliseconds, and it's going to go low, the regular 1000 milliseconds. Then there's going to be a multiplier to 2000 milliseconds, then down to back to 1000 again. And then the last state, the button state, keeps it it puts it back to where it knows which state it's on going in the next round. We go ahead and start the program. Here we go. Down here, looking at here's my circuit. The same thing as the one on the top. So this just goes 5 volts into the switch, through the 10K, and then back to number 2. There's the LED one going to 13, ground, and 5 volt. If we hit the old button here, it starts its little cycle. And if we watched it enough, we'd see it go 10 times, and then it stops and gets ready again. Yeah, this one had a lot of trying to different things to try to get this to work, and I finally came across this. So I got to work on next week's, and we'll go back down and look. Is it still going? It's still going. I'm not sure what number that is, but it should be about done. It should be about done. There it goes. It's done. Wait for another cycle. All you do is just hit the button again, start it back up again, and it'll go for 10 more. So I hope that's what you're looking for. And that's all I got.